Hello, you dear viewers. Here we are. I got done cooking here. I made some kokwa, and now I'm washing my dishes up. I heated up the water to make dishwater, so I'm letting the water cool down just a little bit here before I put my hand in there. I'm gonna scrub my pot out. So I made a nice pot of kokwa. Stove is working good. I think it's the fuel. The gasoline may be the issue here. It's still a lot of yellow flame, so I just think, myself personally, I think it's the gas. It's old, and it's the gas I brought in from Akron, and that's like how old, and I haven't used it for a while, so probably got moisture in there. So I'm thinking it's the gas, gasoline is the problem, the issue. So here we are. Here's my bicycle here, dear viewers. My trailer. I'm under this picnic pavilion here at the Eastview Park in Celina, Ohio. So I had a nice visit with my friend yesterday. He came by to see me from Auburn, Indiana. Mr. Miller. We would call him Barney Miller. How about that? That's a good name. Barney Miller. I hear that bass sound right now, dear viewers. Barney Miller. So I'm just here enjoying a nice day here. The sun's out. It's a pretty day here. And we're gonna check this all out here. So this is a nice park here. Look at the skies out here today. Blue. This could be a pretty day. Warm day. It's supposed to be like 90 today. It's gonna get pretty hot here. So I'm gonna come back here later to the park and take a bath and get a shaving too. I got a shave, boy. I look horrible. So I want to wash these dishes up, pack up, and head to the wide wallway. Yeah. So this is it, there, viewers. Here's the little picnic pavilion here that I'm using. I like this one here. It's not too bad, and it got water right there, and there's some water there, so I could wash dishes and rinse the dishes. So this is it there, viewers. So God bless. Big hello to the beautiful, loving wife, little Eve. And I will be back, sure enough. Alright, I'll be back there.